Hello viewers, this is Dow Too Fast here. In this video, I'll show you how to change a battery on a Honda remote. But before I do that, let me show you the message you'll see on the dash when you start the vehicle with a remote control that has a low battery. As you can see, the dash will show you the message, keyless remote battery low. When you see this, you need to replace a battery inside the remote control. Replacing the battery on this Honda remote is very simple. Turn it over, and you see this latch. Slide it over, and then pull the key out. Now looking at the end, you see there's a slot in the middle right here. Use a flathead screwdriver, put it in the middle slot, and twist it. And now you can open up this case. Right here is a CR2032 button cell battery. Go ahead and remove it. Here I have the new CR2032 battery. Install the new battery. Now put the back cover back on. Now you can reinstall the key. And that's it. With a new installed battery, I'll start the car. And I no longer have that warning message. If you need to replace a battery in your Honda remote, I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you want to pick up the replacement battery, check out the link below. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching this video. To support this channel, remember to click on thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the notification bell so you get notified of new videos.